Hi everyone, welcome to Application to Arrival with Shamira West. I'm Shamira West and I'm partnering up with York English to document my journey from the time I applied to become a York English teacher to the time of my arrival in Fuzhou, China. I will be discussing my application process, my visa process, what I'm going to be packing for a whole year. One of my frequently asked questions is, why China? Why are you moving for one full year, leaving your life behind? And I have a really big answer for that, but I'm going to try to make it short. I've always wanted to live abroad since I was 15 years old. I used to sit down and watch Samantha Brown's travels on the Travel Channel, and it was my favorite thing to do. And I would sit there and watch her and just imagine myself in those beautiful places that she would visit. And I knew that when I was older and I was able to, that was something I wanted to do, was to live abroad for at least a year. That was always my goal. I went to college and I thought that maybe if I study abroad, this will be a way for me to experience a new culture. But tuition for a study abroad program is usually really high, and it didn't make sense for me financially. So that dream was shot down. Became an adult and I kind of forgot about my dream. I went into corporate America and just kind of settled into my cushy, comfortable adult life. And it wasn't until I was 29 years old, I turned 29 on December 24th last year. I was just like, this is my last year in my 20s. I'm not married. I don't have kids, which is not a bad thing to have kids and want to do this, but for me, I was just like, this is perfect. There's nothing holding me back from doing this. This is the perfect time to go before, I do settle down and get married and start a family, etc. So I started doing research and found Greenheart Travel, which is a travel company that helps you get job opportunities abroad. And they connected me with York English, and from there I started my application process, which I will share with you in a future video. But yeah, that was the reason why. I just always wanted to do this since I was a teenager, and now as an adult I finally have the opportunity to do it. And China was not on the top of my list, but with all the benefits that York English offered, it was the best option for me compared to all the other countries that have English teaching opportunities. So I'm really grateful and I can't wait to share more with you. Thank you guys for watching.